Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding that the laws of physics have changed. Gravity is lighter, and everything feels different. The air feels as thick as syrup, making everything feel strange and heavy. Children jump higher than ever, laughing with joy. Vehicles zoom through the streets without friction, gliding effortlessly. Imagine a bustling city reimagined with this new physics.
What if we could manipulate time? A family decides to freeze their moment during a picnic, capturing the joy for eternity. People start walking through walls, a thrilling challenge as they navigate their homes and offices with glee and confusion. Imagine how the world of sports would transform. Athletes flying through the air, breaking records like never before. Spectators are amazed. As our day of altered physics comes to an end, we wonder what might change when the world returns to normal. Could we keep some of these wonders? Imagine waking up one morning to discover that gravity has vanished entirely. Everything floats in the air, and you're weightless. As you step outside, you see pets and people soaring into the sky, laughing with excitement. Balloons burst into the bright blue atmosphere. Children play in the air, like they are swimming, gliding and flipping in zero gravity. Giggles echo as they perform aerial stunts. But as people rush around, chaos ensues in the streets. Cars, bikes, and even people drift without control, becoming a wild dance. Without gravity, water starts to behave unpredictably too. Fountains and rivers create floating droplets that sparkle in the sunlight. Now imagine the effects on food preparation. Chefs struggle as ingredients float away, while hungry diners eagerly reach for floating dishes. As the sun sets on this surreal day, a question lingers. What would life be like without gravity forever? Let's keep exploring the wonders of physics. Imagine waking up to a world where time moves differently. What if a day felt like mere moments? Welcome to a new reality of time manipulation. In this altered reality, children play outside as their laughter echoes with disorienting speed. Moments stretch and compress around them, altering their experience. Adults catch glimpses of daily routines warped by new time perceptions. Coffee brews in an instant, while meetings feel like a lifetime and a blink. Trains and buses zoom by, delivering passengers to their destinations in split seconds. Travel becomes a fantastical journey, defying the expected. While time seems to rush for some, it slows for others. A person catching a butterfly is lost in the moment, while the world races on. The streets become a bizarre canvas where life unfolds at various paces. Some move in slow motion, while others are a blur of activity. As the day comes to an end, a question looms. What happens when this unusual flow of time resets? Can humanity adapt to such chaos? Imagine waking up to find the laws of energy completely changed for just one day. What would that mean for everything around us? Energy could flow freely, transforming everyday objects into beacons of light and motion. What kind of chaos might unfold in our homes? Suppose plants began to harness energy directly from sunlight, thriving like never before. Just imagine an explosion of colors in nature. Transportation could become instantaneous. Picture cars and bikes zipping through the air, defying gravity and traversing space effortlessly. Conversely, what if energy depletion became a reality? Picture people struggling as energy sources begin to fade away around them. In our bodies, enhanced kinetic energy could allow us to perform unimaginable feats. See a person effortlessly leaping over tall obstacles. Now, let your imagination run wild. What other transformation would energy undergo, and what would the challenges be?